Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you step-by-step process that how to get unlimited likes on Instagram photos. So let's start. Before start the process you need download app from description. I have given download link below. Go and download. After downloading and installing is finished, open app. Click on login with Instagram. I have already logged in. In your case it will ask for Instagram ID or password. After that click on authorize. Click on auto liker. After that select your photo which you want to get likes. So I am going to select any one of them, just to show you. After that click on send likes, and wait until it get finished. Now it is finished, let's check on Instagram. Now as you can see the likes. Let's check that picture. So as you can see likes has been increased. That's all for this video. If you like this video please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Thank you.